Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Craftsman Stackable Tool Box is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable storage solutions for any DIY enthusiast or professional tradesperson looking to keep their tools organized, accessible, and protected from the elements, offering a robust and modular system that adapts to your specific needs and workspace. Number 5. DEWALT Stack Tool Storage Organizer DWST17804. Introducing the DEWALT Stack Tool Storage Organizer. Its removable dividers are designed for the neat organization of small bits and pieces, keeping your workspace tidy. This organizer is built to last, with a maximum load capacity of 16.5 pounds. You can trust it to hold your essential tools and supplies securely. Experience effortless access with reliable ball-bearing drawer slides. They are engineered for heavy-duty loads, ensuring smooth operation every time. Lifting and carrying is made comfortable thanks to the bimaterial handle on top of each unit. It provides a secure and ergonomic grip. Expand your storage capabilities by stacking this unit with other TSTAK products. The side latches allow you to easily customize your setup to meet your specific needs. What we like. This organizer offers excellent customization for small parts with its removable dividers. If you need to keep screws, nuts, and bolts neatly separated, this is a great choice. Its sturdy construction and ball-bearing slides make it ideal for frequent access to smaller components. What people say. Each drawer has removable dividers, which can be set up in different configurations to store different items. The drawers open and close smoothly, and they have built-in locking mechanisms that keep the drawers closed, with a squeeze release on each of the handles. They are all very sturdy, and made from a very durable plastic material. The build quality is excellent, very rugged and clearly designed for heavy use. The compartments are well sized, and I love how easily it stacks with my other units. It feels like it will last a long time on the job or in the workshop. The TSTAK 4 is shallow 2-drawer unit. From the factory, each drawer is divided into 9 sub-compartments by horizontal and vertical interlocking dividers. The drawer slides are incredibly smooth and feel as though they are overrated for the amount of items that would be stored in such shallow drawers. Each drawer has locking latch that must be released by pinching a latch under the drawer face. So it has a positive close and lock to keep the drawers from opening on their own. One final feature are the drawer labels. Each drawer has a clear plastic cover where you can place the drawer summary inside of it. Number 4. Craftsman VERSASTACK 71-piece mechanic tool set. Discover the ultimate solution for your mechanical needs. This comprehensive set is designed to tackle any job with ease and precision. Experience unparalleled maneuverability with its 72-tooth ratchet. It requires only a 5-degree arc swing, making it perfect for working in confined areas. This set includes a wide array of 3 8-inch drive sockets and essential accessories. Everything you need is conveniently organized and readily accessible. The large case is built for durability and integrates seamlessly with the VERSASTACK system. It's designed to withstand tough conditions and keep your tools secure. Enjoy lasting performance thanks to its full polish chrome finish. This feature provides excellent corrosion resistance, ensuring your tools look and perform their best for years to come. Rest assured, this tool set meets or exceeds ASME specifications. You can rely on its quality and performance for all your projects. What we like. Experience minimal arc swing with its 72-tooth ratchet, perfect for tight spaces. If you're a mechanic or DIYer who values precision and efficiency in intricate work, this set is for you. The full polish chrome finish also ensures durability and easy cleaning. What people say. This set is replenishing my old set and easier to find the right socket for my scattering set. Good homeowner ratchet set. Does its job and seems to be good quality. Built well, designed well. The case is strong and has 2 different closures. Number 3. Craftsman CMST14520 Tool Box Organizer. Introducing the Craftsman CMST14520, a heavy-duty organizer designed for your tools and accessories. Keep everything in its place with robust construction. This organizer features customizable compartments, including 3 large and 9 medium ones. Tailor the interior to perfectly fit your small parts and accessories. Don't let the elements stop you. It boasts an IP53 water-resistant rating, protecting your items from moisture. Equipped with anti-rust metal latches, this organizer is built for long-lasting durability. The heavy-duty design ensures secure closure every time. The impact-resistant lid securely locks all compartments in place. This ensures that your items stay put, even when on the move. Maximize your storage with its stackable design. Units can be easily stacked one on top of the other using the convenient side latches. What we like. This organizer boasts customizable compartments and IP53 water resistance, making it ideal for outdoor or damp environments. If you work in conditions where moisture is a concern or need to keep various small items sorted, this is your go-to. The anti-rust latches ensure it holds up over time. What people say. Very sturdy. Holds a ton of nails, screws, or whatever small bits you need to organize. Handle is comfortable to carry. You can stack these with locking tabs on the sides. Removable compartments to make more room for larger items. Latches are heavy-duty and strong. These are heavy when full of hardware and the case is very durable and functional. Bought free and they stack well on each other. The heavy-duty construction feels sturdy and built to last, even with frequent use. I love the removable compartments. It makes sorting screws, nails, and other small items so convenient, especially when working on projects. The latch system is secure, so I don't have to worry about things spilling out. Number 2. Craftsman VERSASTACK Open Tote Tool Box, CMST17809. Introducing the Craftsman VERSASTACK Open Tote. It offers a large interior, perfect for storing all your bulk items with ease. This toolbox features a vertical storage design. It's ideal for holding taller tools and other items upright, keeping them organized. This tote is part of the innovative VERSASTACK system. You can easily stack it with other components for a customized storage solution. Enjoy the flexibility of stackable and portable storage. It's designed to adapt to your needs, whether at home or on the job site. Build the perfect tool storage setup with this versatile tote. Its compatibility with the VERSASTACK system allows for endless customization. What we like. Its large interior and vertical storage design are perfect for bulky items and taller tools. If you're looking for a versatile storage solution that integrates seamlessly with the VERSASTACK system, this open tote is an excellent option. It's great for landscapers or anyone needing to store larger equipment. What people say. These VERSASTACK tote boxes are great. They are sturdy with decent recessed folding handles and have the benefit that I can buy multiple totes and stack them together in any configuration with other boxes and lock the stack together. They stack up and click onto each other with VERSASTACK. I own 5 of these and each one is for a specific tool type, drills, circular saw, grinder, etc., plus it can hold hardware, measuring devices, hand tools and batteries. I love this box. I'm very invested in the VERSASTACK and TSTAK systems and this box works perfectly. The handle feels nice and sturdy and plastic feels very hefty. I love the wide open design of the box and the removable tool organizer. Number 1. ToughBuilt Folding Sawhorse Jobsite Table TB C550. Introducing a Sawhorse built for your toughest jobs. Constructed from 100% high-grade steel, it offers incredible strength and stability. It can support up to 1,100 pounds on its own, or 2,200 pounds when used as a pair. Transform 2 of these sawhorses into a solid jobsite table with the integrated 2x4 support arms. Adjustable legs ensure it's the perfect height for any task, while pivoting feet adapt to uneven surfaces. When you're done, it folds down compactly for easy transport. The rounded edges provide safety, and the comfortable handle makes carrying it to the job site a breeze. It's an excellent workbench for various tasks. Designed, engineered, and tested in the USA, you can trust in its superior quality. This ensures you're getting one of the most durable sawhorses available on the market. Made with powder-coated and zinc-plated steel, it's protected against corrosion and built to withstand rigorous environments. Plus, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind. What we like. This sawhorse offers incredible heavy-duty support with a 1,100 pounds capacity, constructed from 100% high-grade steel. If you need a robust and reliable workbench for demanding construction or cutting tasks, this is the one. Its folding design makes it easy to transport and set up anywhere. What people say. These sawhorses are solid, sensible and high quality. The sturdiest of them all, and it has nice little features: anti-slip surface across the top of the sawhorse, it neatly folds up and has a great carrying handle built into the top, the legs have adjustable feet and there are slots at each end of the sawhorse for a board to be inserted to create a table. These are solidly built. The legs lock open in both directions so there's no danger of collapse with a sideways motion. They hold 1,100 pounds each. And check out the slots at each end for 2x4s to fit in for a big table. There are folding feet so the whole thing won't sink into the earth, and there's cool tabs on the legs that fold down in order to hold a 4x8 sheet of something in order to work on it while standing up. Robust solide trays pratique. J'adore. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.